Hello students, in this video we talking about area. What is an area? Area of rectangle, area of square. So first we talking about an area. The amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. किसी भी क्लोज फिगर में चारों ओर बाउंड्री से घिरा हुआ जो पार्ट है वो उसका एरिया कहलाता है. Here in this figure you can see this is the boundary. ये खेत है जिसके चारों तरफ बाउंड्री की हुई है, यहाँ फेंसिंग किया हुआ है इसको, और इस चारों तरफ बाउंड्री से घिरा हुआ जो पार्ट है ये इसका एरिया है. द इनक्लोज surface enclosed by the boundary is called area. You can see here. Now this is a triangle and the area enclosed by all three sides. The green part is called area. So the amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. चारों तरफ बाउंड्री से घिरा हुआ जो पार्ट है वो उसका एरिया कहलाता है. पेरीमीटर इज मेजर्ड इन यूनिट्स ऑफ लेंथ. पेरीमीटर को हम यूनिट्स में मापते हैं, इन मीटर, इंचेज, सेंटीमीटर, मीटर, माइल्स एटसेट्रा. एंड एरिया इज मेजर्ड इन स्क्वायर यूनिट, और एरिया को हम स्क्वायर यूनिट में मापेंगे, इंचेज स्क्वायर, सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, मीटर स्क्वायर, माइल्स स्क्वायर. फर्स्ट, कैलकुलेटिंग द एरिया ऑफ ए क्लोज प्लेन फिगर बाय यूजिंग ए स्क्वायर पेपर. द फॉलोइंग स्टेप्स आर टू बी अडॉप्टेड while calculating the area of a closed figure by using squared graph paper. Here, first count the full field square covered by the closed figure as 1 square unit. Fully filled square को 1 square unit count करना है. Here this is 1 square, this is fully filled, this and these are fully filled squares, so we count 1 square unit. Second, count half filled squares as half a square unit. Half filled squares को half a square unit count करना होगा. Third is count the squares that are more than half filled as 1 square unit. आधे से अधिक फिल किया हुआ पार्ट होगा तो उसको 1 square unit काउंट करना है. एंड इग्नोर द स्क्वायर फील्ड लेस देन हाफ. और आधे से कम, यू कैन सी हेयर, आधे से कम यदि है तो उसको 0 स्क्वायर यूनिट काउंट करना है, यानी उसको इग्नोर करना है, उसको उसका एरिया कुछ भी नहीं काउंट करना है, उसका एरिया 0 होगा. और मोर देन हाफ की कंडीशन में एरिया 1 स्क्वायर यूनिट होगा. तो व्हेन यू कैलकुलेटिंग द एरिया ऑफ ए क्लोज प्लेन फिगर बाय यूजिंग ए स्क्वायर graph paper, you follow the following steps. Now we take an example. By counting squares, estimate the area of the given figure. This is the figure. Here you count fully filled squares, half filled squares, more than half filled squares, and less than half filled squares. Then you find there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Here there are 11 fully filled squares and half filled squares are 1, is 2 and 3. There are 3 half filled squares. So you make a table, covered area like fully filled squares, half filled squares, more than half filled squares, less than half filled squares. In first column you write fully filled squares, half filled squares, more than half filled squares, and less than half filled squares. From the figure you count and write here there are 11 fully filled squares and one fully filled square count is 1 square unit. So there are 11 fully filled squares, so area is 11 square unit. There are 3 half filled squares, so half filled squares is estimate area is count half a square unit, so 3 into half a square unit. And there are 7 more than half filled squares, so more than half filled is count 1 square unit, so there is 7 into 1 1 estimate area is 1 is 7 square unit. There are 5 less than half filled and we count 0 square unit. So the total estimate area is 11 plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 7 equal to 19, say 1 by 2 square unit. Total area is 19 and half square unit. Now we take another example. By counting square, estimate the area of the given figure. This is the figure. You count fully filled squares and more than half filled square, half filled squares and less than half filled squares. Here you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 fully filled square. So, and you count half filled squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. You draw a table. Covered area like fully filled, half filled, more than half filled and less than half filled. Number, there are 6 fully filled squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So you write 6 and estimate area is 6 square unit. Half filled squares, there are 7 half filled squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So there are 7 half filled squares. Half filled squares count half a square unit, so 7 into half square unit. There are no more than half filled squares and no less than half filled squares, so their area estimate area is 0, 0. So the total area is 6 plus 7 into half square unit equal to 9 and half square unit. तो इस तरीके से आप किसी भी एक फिगर का आप उसको स्क्वायर पेपर पर रखकर आप उसका एरिया पता कर सकते हो. Now we discuss area of rectangle. Find the area of a rectangle whose length is 6 cm and breadth is 5 cm. First, we draw a rectangle on graph paper having 1 cm by 1 cm squares. The length here, the length is 6 cm and breadth is 5 cm. The length 6 cm divided into 6 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and the breadth is divided into 5 parts. Draw here the one small box, the area of one small box is 1 cm by 1 cm, length 1 cm and breadth also 1 cm. So the rectangle covers 30 squares completely, whose length is 6 cm and breadth is 5 cm. He covers total 30 squares completely. So the area is, if one small box, area of one small box is 1 square units, so the total area is 30 square unit, 30 square centimeter, which can be written as 6 into 5. Here 6 is length and 5 is breadth, so area is 6 into 5 equal to 30 square centimeter. So area of rectangle is length into breadth square unit. Area of a rectangle is length into breadth स्क्वायर यूनिट. लंबाई गुना चौड़ाई. जब लेंथ और ब्रेड्थ को आप मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो वो एक रेक्टेंगुलर शेप का एरिया आएगा. एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वायर. फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ए स्क्वायर whose side is 4 centimeter. Here this is a square of side 4 centimeter. You draw a square on graph paper having 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter squares. The square cover 16 squares completely. Here you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. There are total 16 squares and area of one is small squares is 1 square unit. So the total area of the square is 16 square centimeter, which can be written as length into breadth. There is 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter, because in a square all sides are equal. So the area is 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter, that is 16 centimeter square. So the area of square is side into side or side square. Area of square is side into side, side square. When we find the perimeter or area, the length and breadth are always must be in the same unit. जब भी हम perimeter और area निकालेंगे, perimeter पता करना होगा, तो length and breadth हमेशा उनका यूनिट सेम होना चाहिए. अगर if length is given in meter and breadth is given in centimeter, then we change the length into centimeter. There are some variant units of measurement are connected by the following relations. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 मीटर. 1 किलोमीटर बराबर होता है 1000 मीटर के. 1 मीटर इक्वल टू 100 सेंटीमीटर. 1 मीटर में 100 सेंटीमीटर होते हैं. सो एंड 1 डेसीमीटर इक्वल टू 10 सेंटीमीटर. 1 मीटर इक्वल टू 10 डेसीमीटर. इन शॉर्ट DM. 1 सेंटीमीटर इक्वल टू 10 मिलीमीटर. 1 सेंटीमीटर में 10 मिलीमीटर होते हैं. एंड 1 फुट इक्वल टू 12 इंचेस. 12 इंचेस का 1 फुट होता है. 1 यार्ड, 1 यार्ड में 3 फीट होते हैं, या 3 फीट का 1 यार्ड बनता है. सो दिस इज द वेरियस यूनिट्स, यू रिमेंबर इट. 1 किलोमीटर इक्वल टू 1000 मीटर एंड 1 मीटर इक्वल टू 100 सेंटीमीटर. मीटर सेंटीमीटर, you change meter to centimeter and centimeter to meter. We take here some applications. Question number 1. Find the area of a the area of a rectangle is 240 centimeter square. Its length is 20 centimeter. Then find its breadth. We know that the area of a rectangle is length into breadth equal to 240 centimeter square. Also given length is 20 centimeter, then we put the value is L equal to 20 centimeter, and we find the breadth is 240 by 20 equal to 12 centimeter. Here area of rectangle is length into breadth, given 240 centimeter square, given है length आपको 20 centimeter दिया है. So 20 into breadth, length is 20, so 20 into breadth equal to 240 centimeter square. You find breadth equal to 240 by 20, that is 12 centimeter. Now next question is find the perimeter of a rectangle whose area is 650 centimeter square and its breadth is 13 centimeter. First we find the length of the rectangle whose area is given and breadth is also given. Here breadth is 13 centimeter, area is length into breadth equal to 600 meter square is given. So breadth is 13 centimeter is given, length into 13 centimeter equal to 650 centimeter. So length is 650 by 13 equal to 50 centimeter. Here length is 50 centimeter and perimeter of a rectangle is 2 bracket length plus breadth. So the perimeter is 2 bracket length 50 and breadth is 13 centimeter. 2 into 63 equal to 126 centimeters. So the perimeter is required perimeter is 126 centimeter. Now question number 3. One side of a square plot is 300 meter. Find its area. Also find the cost of leveling it at the rate of 0.50 rupees per square meter. Solve. Area of the plot. Because the plot is square shape, so the area of the plot is side into side. There is side square. Area is 300 whole square. That is area of the plot is side square. So the area is 90,000 meter square. Here given per square meter cost of leveling the plot. प्लॉट का लेवलिंग का जो कोस्ट है पर स्क्वायर मीटर, एक स्क्वायर मीटर का लेवलिंग का कोस्ट जो दिया है आपको वो दिया है 0.50 यानी 50 पैसे. सो द टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ लेवलिंग द टोटल एरिया ऑफ द प्लॉट इनटू रेट पर स्क्वायर मीटर cost. The total area is 90,000 and into 0.50 50 पैसे. So the total cost is 45,000. Now next question is a marble tile measuring 25 centimeter by 20 centimeter. How many tiles will be required to cover a wall of size 4 meter by 3 meter? गिवन है मार्बल के कुछ टाइल्स हैं 25 सेंटीमीटर बाई 20 सेंटीमीटर के, उनको एक दीवार है 4 मीटर बाई 3 मीटर का, उस पर वैसी कितनी टाइल्स की आवश्यकता होगी. सो first we make the unit same because here we can see that कि tiles, the measure of tiles in centimeter and the length and breadth of the wall is in meter. So we know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So there are 4 meter equal to 400 centimeter and 3 meter equal to 300 centimeter. So the area of the wall is 400 into 300, that is 1,20,000 centimeter square. Area of the total area of the wall is 400 into 300. Length into breadth. Here length is 400 centimeter and breadth is 300 centimeter. So the total area is 1,20,000 centimeter square. Area of one tile. Here area of one tile is length into breadth. Length is 25 and breadth is 20. So the area of one tile is 500 centimeter square. Area is 500 centimeter square. So the number of tiles is इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ द वॉल अपॉन एरिया ऑफ वन टाइल. अगर हम दीवार के एरिया में एक टाइल के एरिया का भाग देते हैं तो नंबर ऑफ टाइल्स की संख्या पता होती है. एरिया ऑफ द वॉल इज 1,20,000 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर एंड एरिया ऑफ वन टाइल इज 500 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. सो द नंबर ऑफ टाइल्स इज 240 टाइल्स. 240 टाइल्स की आवश्यकता होगी. Now the next question is the total cost of flooring a room at 8 rupees 50 paise per square meter is 510 rupees. If the length of the room is 8 meter, find its breadth. Here, total cost, we know that the total cost equal to area into rate per square meter. जब भी हमको टोटल कोस्ट निकालना होता है तो वो होता है एरिया इंटू पर स्क्वायर मीटर रेट. हियर वी फाइंड एरिया, देन एरिया इक्वल टू टोटल कोस्ट बटे रेट पर स्क्वायर मीटर. हियर टोटल कोस्ट इज गिवन 510 रुपीज and rate per square meter is given 8.50 rupees per square meter. So the total area is 510 by 8.50 equal to 60 meter square. So the area of the floor is 60 meter, and given length of the room is 8 meter, then find its breadth. Let breadth will be then we know that area is length into breadth, then breadth is area upon length. Here area is 60 meter square, then 60 by 8 equal to 7.5 meter. So the breadth is 7.5 meter. Split the following shapes into rectangle and find the area of each. आपको इन दिए गए शेप्स को स्प्लिट करना है रेक्टेंगल या स्क्वायर की शेप में, और उसका एरिया आपको फाइंड करना है. दिस इज गिवन इन यूनिट्स एंड दिस इज द लेंथ इन सेंटीमीटर. you can split this shape in two parts. This is one and this is one. There are, आप इसको एक रेक्टेंगल ये और इस तरीके से आप दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर सकते हो. And in this figure you draw a straight line like total area is, here we can see two rectangles, one rectangle with sides 12 units and 2 units. एक रेक्टेंगल देखते हैं जिसका लेंथ है वो 12 मीटर है और ब्रेड 2 मीटर है, एंड वन अनदर रेक्टेंगल इज with sides 8 meter. This is the length is 8 meter and breadth is 2 meter. So the total area is 12 into 2. Area of this rectangle is 12 into 2, 24, and area of this rectangle is 8 into 2, 16 square units. So the total area is 40 square units. And now in this figure the total area of rectangle with sides 6 and 4 units. If you can split in this way, there is total length is 6 centimeter and length of this side will be 6 minus 2. Total 6, this is 2 centimeter, 6 minus 2 equal to 4 centimeter. This is also 4. So the total area is, this shape is split in two rectangles, one with sides 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter, and the another is 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So the area of the rectangle with sides 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter is 6 into 4, and area of rectangle with sides 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter is 4 into 3, 12 centimeter. So the total area is 36 square centimeter. So there are two main topics, area of rectangle and area of a square. Area of rectangle is length into breadth, and area of square is side into side, that is side square. Thank you. Have a nice day.